Let's dive into the world of AI and create a stunning video just by using Flexclip. So here we are at the interface of Flexclip, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a video. Now I'm going to create this video entirely using Flexclip, nothing else but Flexclip. So first thing is create a video, and what I want to do is make a short either for Instagram or YouTube Reel. So I'm going to get the ratio of 9:16 and I'm going to press get started. Now, Flexclip has just recently introduced more AI tools. I'm not going to upload anything because everything I want to generate for my clip comes from Flexclip. I'm going to show you two ways how we're going to use Flexclip. Let's go to Tools, and you're going to see here AI Video Script. Let's click on that. Now, there's two ways we can do this. We can make Flexclip do everything, or number two, where we get Flexclip to help us create a video. Now, first, I'm going to show you how we're going to make Flexclip just do everything. So here we are in the video script, and basically what it does, you give the information and it's going to outline a script for your video. And let's say something as simple as create a video targeting men's health over 50. You can make the text or description as long as you want. The more information you give it, the more it can work with. And let's go to generate script. So you can see it is just churning out your basic script. And here is the magic with the new Flexclip. Once it's all finished, we will do absolutely nothing. We're going to go into easy mode. So I'm going to press here, AI to video. Now I'm going to make it so that the subtitles are using this style of font. Generate this video and sit back and relax, because all the magic is going to happen for you. Okay, so it has finished rendering out the entire project. We can see that it's slightly off. That's okay, we can adjust it. I'm going to put it right in the middle, and I'm just going to press play. Now everything you see here can be customized afterwards as well, but you may just want to send out a real simple message, just like what I'm doing here. Let's just slide this along and see what it does. So obviously it's just going to give you all the visuals with the basically the text over the top. If you just want to get a quick message out, I think this is pretty neat. It's done everything for you. What we are going to do now is we're going to build one completely from scratch, but still using those new AI tools. So we're going to go into Tools. We're going to use the video or the script generator again. And I've already prepared one, and basically I told it to say, give me a creative outline for a YouTube video, and I want to use the word monetize. And then it popped this out. Now scene one, it literally tells you, open a shot of a person scrolling through their telephone. So let's go to the video section and then type in phone and then see what pops up. And hopefully it should give us a video of some type. Well, here, I like this here. So let's add that to the project. So that's already added. And let's go back to the script generator. So we'll go back to the script generator. And we got here, it says, do you dream of turning your YouTube hobby into a professional business? And it clearly says this is a voiceover. We hear a voiceover. So here what we're going to do is we're going to use the edit tool, and then we're going to highlight. See, I've already done that for you. See how I'm constantly preparing. Control C. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go to the media tab, and we're going to generate text to speech. So we may use something like, I want to use an English or United Kingdom. I wish to use a gentleman, maybe Elfie or Elliot. And I want to, I think this is pretty well the style I'm after, but we can hear it. So Control V. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to use text to speech to be the voiceover for my little video. Let's have a preview.
Do you dream of turning your YouTube hobby into a profitable business?
So what I'm going to do now is add this to my project. So save to media. It will also allow you to save it to your desktop or anywhere you want. I don't really need to save it. Now we can just simply add. Now if you want to listen to it again, just move your mouse and hover over it.
Do you dream of turning...
And it automatically starts playing. But if you don't, just press the little plus button.
Do you dream of turning your YouTube...
And see, now it has added into your project. So if I play it...
Do you dream of turning your YouTube hobby...
Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it slightly in the middle, so I don't want it to start from the get-go, because I'm also going to introduce some music. Okay, and then we can go back to the tools and look at the scene, and what's the next scene? And it basically says it's a shot of a person sitting at the computer. Okay, so we'll do that again. So you can start to see the pattern that I'm forming, that I'm basically looking at the script and then using all the video or the stock footage to create my little video project. Let's have a look, enter, and let's see if something comes up that looks like we're watching a video or man behind a computer. Okay, well here's another one. Let's just add that. See, it automatically adds to the timeline. We can press play and that's fine. And we can then lengthen or shorten or trim it basically, this clip to whatever desired length we need. And then we can go back to tools and then so forth and so forth. See how we're slowly building up our little project. Now I'm going to show you one more little thing. Let's select some background music. So we go to audio, and this is a cool little trick I also found out. Let's look for a mood or inspiring. Okay, let's inspire. And then you can literally just go through anything. Now, here's the cool thing about this. If I wanted to make a 1 minute video, I'm going to select obviously something that's around about the 1 minute mark, but I can easily select something that's longer and this software will automatically trim everything for me. So let's bring that scrubber right to the beginning and let's have a little listen. You know what? I'm fine with that. I'm going to add it. And look, it only did it to the length of the video clip that I've already have placed onto the timeline. And here's the cool part. Let's go back to video. Let's go back to tools and let's have a look at the next one. A shot of a person filming a video. All right, let's just see if we can find anything that involves a camera. And bear with me, there is a reason why I'm doing this. Let's say filming. Let's see what pops up. Hopefully we'll see a video of, here we go. Perfect. All right, now watch what's going to happen. As soon as I add, let's bring the scrubber to the front here. Well, because it's going to add the clip where you left the scrubber. Watch this. Bam. And now look, it automatically adjusted the audio track as well. And how neat is that? So you don't have to sit there and go, now I have to adjust this every time I add a clip. No, it's done it all for you. And I think that's pretty neat.
Do you dream of turning?
Okay, so the background music is way too loud. So let's adjust that. Click on this and you'll see a little volume button here. Click on that. And we bring it right down. I think 20 is probably the perfect one. Let's have a quick listen.
Do you dream of turning your YouTube hop?
All right, we can also increase the volume. So all it is, we just play with the volume adjusters on each clip. Let's go to 90. And I think we're pretty well spot on.
Do you dream of turning your YouTube?
All right, I'm pretty happy with that. So you can see how we can slowly build up this entire project. Now, if you want to add a transition, all we do is click on this once and all the transitions will pop up. Okay, here, let's do a fade transition. So just click on that and it already has added. We don't have to click or drag, we just click on it once. Let's have a little preview of that. And I think that it did a nice little transition for me there. Beautiful. And again, what we do is we go back to the voice generator and just start adding the narration. And here's the cool part. If I do go back to it, to the audio, sorry, it's going to stay with the original format that I already started with. So you don't have to reset everything. Elliot is still there available. And there you go, my friends. It's so simple using this online editors now, and with all the AI tools that's coming, your production and quality is going to go to the next level. And there you go, my friends. And as always, thanks for joining.